Welcome to Panel Built Incorporated, the new generation in modular buildings, guard booths, and mezzanines. Panel Built manufactures standard and custom modular buildings, including in-plant offices, mezzanines, security booths, interior and exterior equipment enclosures, wall partitions, clean rooms, modular offices, stair systems, and ballistic buildings. Let's talk about the life of a job. Callers are warmly greeted by one of our friendly and welcoming receptionists. They will answer any question you may have and will direct your call accordingly. Once a client calls for a quote, they are quickly transferred to one of our exceptional sales associates. They are incredibly knowledgeable about our products and will determine the right product for the client's needs. Working closely with our sales associates, our drafting department drafts the drawings that are approved for production. This department has to pay very close attention to detail. They get down to the nuts and bolts of the project so that our customers can get a clear picture of exactly what they are getting. As part of the production process, our panel line crew fabricates the panels according to the plans. Gyp and vinyl are most commonly used. Another part of the production process includes steel fabrication and welding. This is where all the metal is fabricated, welded, and powder coated. This hard-working department works with columns, beams, flashing, mod wire flashing, banding steel packaging, corner splices, kick plates, and more. All pre-assembles are built by on-site subs and some of our welders. When production is complete, our shipping department wraps and secures the structures. They ensure the customer gets what they ordered on time by arranging freight. We utilize our own haulers as well as hiring it out when appropriate. Our shipping department also coordinates the moving of material to and from each of our 5 panel built locations. Come on, let's go take a closer look.
Hi, my name is Pete Rocco. I've been here 21 years. I'm the plant manager at PBR in the prefab building department. We build gypsum panels. Those are interior panels. It's a vinyl covered gypsum with foam in between it, polystyrene. We build fireproof panels that have a mineral wool core. We build soundproof panels that have a fiberboard in it for sound. We also do exteriors that have a 26 gauge Boston stucco steel. We typically run a champagne, gray, and white in our colors in a saddle tan. So then we build our own windows. We have binder post windows and ballistic windows and exterior windows. Some of those windows have 1/4 inch glass, 1/2 inch glass, and laminate glasses. We have an extrusion department that build binder posts that are pre-wired, have modular wiring that clip together. We're really excited at what we do here at the Blue Ridge facility, and thank you for tuning in.
Hi, my name is Jared Foster. I'm shipping supervisor at Panel Built Blue Ridge. My day-to-day is to take the panels and look through our bill of materials, make sure that every job goes with the pieces and parts, materials that it needs to complete it, safely load it up on a trailer, and make sure it makes it to the right address.
My name is Wes Summer. I'm the plant manager at 129 the Monty Road plant. We build welded and ballistic buildings here. And I handle mainly on the plant floor. We'll take a set of drawings, we'll cut the material, fabricate it, weld it, put the skins on it, insulate it, paint it. We turn it over to the install group and they'll take it from there. They'll put the flooring in it, the glass, the roof, countertops, anything that the customer needed in that booth to to customize it for what they needed. We like what we do. We got probably the best crew we've ever assembled over here. We have those guys right now. They're doing a great job. We're putting out a good quality product. We've come a long ways over the course of 5 years, and I'm really proud of them. have a nice, pretty new building that we are still in the process of moving into, but overall, I enjoy working here.
Thanks for joining us for this virtual tour of Panel Built. Panel Built's a fast-growing company. We enjoy what we're doing. We have a lot of fun. We also work with the world's greatest companies, such as Amazon, Home Depot, and we've even done work for Air Force One for the President. Please join us when you have a chance online. Check out our website or come by and visit us in person. We offer internships, part-time work, work for people while they're going to school and college, and of course we offer great careers here. Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us for Panel Built's Manufacturing Day Tour of 2020. We hope you learned a lot about our company and welcome you back next year.